Our team works really hard to go that extra distance and give everyone an experience they'll want to share. We're so thankful for this great review that makes all of our efforts worthwhile. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are very happy and satisfied. And this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior service. This is also one of our favourite reviews, very inspiring. Everyone we serve was new at one time, so we are always excited to speak with everyone, whether they are new or returning. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.